What inspired you to choose an apprenticeship over other educational or career paths?
I chose an apprenticeship because I wanted hands-on experience whilst learning, rather than just sitting in a classroom. Being able to earn, work in an industry I'm passionate about, and build practical skills at the same time really appealed to me. It felt like the best way to prepare for an engineering career.
I like the idea of earning money while still being in education. This has given me the opportunity to experience both full-time work and university life. By choosing an apprenticeship, I'm able to use the design principles, mathematics and physics that I've learned and apply it to any task I face at work. This has significantly increased my skills and understanding, as I now have a solid foundation of knowledge to work effectively in the engineering industry.
How has being an apprentice shaped your career and personal growth so far?
This apprenticeship has motivated me to take the initiative in my career by giving myself the freedom and control to tackle everyday jobs or problems in ways I never could. I've achieved a new level of confidence and determination to be able to face tasks that I have never attempted or knew much about. I would say the main reason for this is the sheer amount of support from my colleagues who help me both at work and life in general.
Being an apprentice has helped me grow both professionally and personally. I've learnt valuable skills and a better understanding of how the industry works. It's also improved my confidence, communication and time management, especially balancing work and college.
Do you feel your apprenticeship has prepared you for real-world challenges?
This apprenticeship has given me the experience on how to properly communicate between a team. I feel like I know how to present and carry myself in a professional environment because of this apprenticeship. It has really given me the experience on time management and responsibility when working on tasks. As a result, I feel like I now have all the necessary skills to do a web-based project.
My apprenticeship has taught me how to solve problems in real situations. I've learnt how to work to deadlines, adapt when things don't go to plan, and communicate properly in a professional environment. It's made me more confident and better prepared for full-time work.
What's been your favourite part of the apprenticeship so far?
I really enjoy seeing my contributions to projects and just in general helping my colleagues. It helps me expand my knowledge base from working closely with people that have more experience. Even if my work isn't visible, it makes me proud knowing it wouldn't be possible without it.
My favourite part of this apprenticeship would be the projects I've been given by a sister company called Rick. This gave me all the creative control on the design as well as the function of the rig. It has really helped me get into project-based work, as I never done work like this before. From this, I now understand how to order parts, look through catalogues and contact suppliers. This has allowed me to get an understanding of what it's like to be an engineer.
What's a skill you've learned that you're most proud of?
A skill I'm really proud of is my CAD skills. I've learnt how to create accurate 3D models and technical drawings, which has been really useful for understanding designs. It's satisfying to see something I've designed come to life in the workshop and be able to put it to use.
What advice would you give to someone thinking about doing an apprenticeship?
That if you're genuinely interested in your field of work, an apprenticeship will be a great option to start your career in. You will learn everything you need to be successful in the industry. Ask as many questions as possible and take the initiative at every opportunity you find. However, it is very important to stay organised with both work and studies. You'll need to work very hard, but it will be worth it.